guys, it's Tracy, and today I'm back and I have my Boxy Charm unboxing for February 2018. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like the video while you're watching, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So I am back from my weekend, and if you left comments on any of my other videos, I'm going to get to them today. It's Tuesday when I'm filming this. So I got home yesterday and went to the doctor about my lip, and it was not a cold sore. Turns out all this time it has been some sort of an allergy. So they don't know what it is, but they gave me a shot and some new topical medicine to put on it, and it's already getting better. So I'm so happy about that. So not as red today, still not any foundation. He told me to wait for a week or two, but that it should, heal up fairly quickly with the shot and the other medicine. So super happy about that. I'll be able to get back to doing some foundation reviews. And yeah, if you're wondering what I have on my eyes, it's the Bad Habit After Hours palettes. And this is what it looks like. And I've been using this all week. I took this with me for my weekend, and I am in love with this palette. I've made some really nice looks. I made a really, really bright pink look one of the days when I was out in the desert with my best friend, and she was like, wow, I think that's the boldest look that you've made. And I think that this palette has had me with these, bright pinks or magentas. I've really been making some bold, looks, and I've been liking it. And then on my lips, I have the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip, in the color Dose of Roses. So now that that's all out of the way, and my weather here is going sunny, going dark, sunny, dark. So it may be a little weird with the lighting. Bear with me. So yeah. So Boxy Charm, if you don't know, it's a $21 a month subscription service. I pay for my box myself. This is not sponsored. They do not send it to me. They do not know who I am. So when I tell you that this is, I think personally that this is the best subscription box out there, I am totally being 100. And if you don't have a very large makeup collection and you want to build it with high-end items, Boxy Charm is the way to go. Because I've gotten so many high-end products that I wouldn't have bought otherwise. And you guys know me, I'm always looking for a bargain, and I don't have a lot of money to spend on makeup. Like, I see these people that, they buy every single release that comes out, and I'm just like, how do you afford that? It has to cost a fortune, And makeup is expensive, so if you want to build your collection, Boxy Charm is the way to go. You can just go to boxycharm.com and you can sign up. I believe there is a waiting list right now because I was on Instagram and I think people were saying, oh, I want to be off the waiting list. I can't wait to be off the waiting list. So if you're interested, I would get on it as soon as you can, because there is a list right now as of today, Tuesday. So anyhow, this month the theme is Galaxy Glow, so sounds kind of interesting. And then it looks like they gave us a card. This says Extra U Cover FX, and this is 20% off your next purchase on coverfx.com. Use code FXCharm at checkout. So if any of you guys are planning on making a purchase, you can go ahead and use that, and you will get 20% off. So that's awesome. So I'm opening up the box here. Haven't looked at it yet, and this is what it looks like. So right off the top, the first thing I see is this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Retail value is $28, and it just says Shimmer Veil, so I don't know what this is. This says these multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldness of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. And this is I don't know, it doesn't really say if it's in a specific color. And you know me, I can't see the bottom of that for anything. So let's see. It looks like a pinky kind of purple. It's got a little doe foot applicator. Let's see. There's a little swatch. So I guess you could probably use it as a, ooh yeah, look at that. You could use it probably as a highlight. You could probably pop it in the center of your lid, kind of like I did today for like a halo eye. You know, just pop it into the center. So Shimmer Veil, I will definitely be giving that a review. And I pulled out all my, I save every card that comes like this so that I can round up like a couple months worth of the products and then like do a more in-depth review, like to tell you guys, hey, I like this, hey, I didn't like this. And I pulled out the last 3 months of last year, and they've been sitting in my bathroom where all my makeup is, and I keep forgetting, you know, it's like on my thing of things to do. So I'm gonna have a video that's gonna review October, November, and December, and then I'm gonna tell you what products that I still have, which ones I got rid of, which ones I'm using, so that if you were interested in any of that stuff, you'd be able to know my opinion. Okay, next thing here is by Pure. This is the Complexion Authority. This says Faux Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Retail value is $17. So it's just clear. Let's see. Feels like it has a little bit of grit to it. And it says, with an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. I can always use something that's going to give me some exfoliating because my lips are perpetually dry. Next thing we have here is a 3-piece Crown Pro Trio brush set. And it looks like the price of this set, it says $29.99. So let's see. I don't think that they label the brushes as to what they are. So this one kind of looks like just a flat shader brush. Actually looks like a Wet n Wild brush that I have. So I would say that's probably a face eyeshadow. Let's see, it says, use the 3-piece brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight under the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face, and the powder brush can be used for everything, to set everything into place. So I don't know, I might use this for highlight. You might be able to use it for kind of small if you're trying to bronze up here. And then this one, it's actually got kind of warped, but this one kind of looks like one we got not too long ago from Moda, I think. So you could probably just use this. I mean, you could even use it under your eyes. You could use it contour, blush. You could use it for whatever. I mean, brushes, they may tell you what they're supposed to be used for, but I don't always use brushes for what they're intended for. So let's see. Next thing I see here is Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. It says this pencil is $21. So it says Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. 21 bucks. Oh, it's super soft, all right. It's one you have to sharpen, but I mean, it's very, very soft. So I could see you probably be able to tight line with this up at the top. My only problem is every time I try to tight line, then when I'm done, it is all over my bottom lids. And the last time I tightlined, it ruined my whole makeup look. I had to take everything off and start again. And of course, that was the last step. So I was really like, I'm not doing this anymore. I mean, I don't wear false eyelashes, so I don't really have to worry too much about, you know, trying to get it black to match the top. Okay, and then the last thing we have here is from Ofra. We have the Pop-Up Palette Mini, which is like a Z palette, which if it's not a Z palette, that's a good thing with all the scandal and stuff they had going on this last year. So it looks like this. It's just a magnetic palette, and I needed a bigger one. And then that, let's see, it says the Pop-Up Mini Palette retails for $19, and then it came with a blush Godet refill, and it says Blush Winter Rose Glow. Let's see. Looks like a nice neutral, kind of almost like a brown. That would be a really nice look if you have really bold eyes going on and you don't want your blush to overpower the look. So you just stick it in there and you're good to go. So let's see. I don't know if the name of the color was Winter Rose Glow. That may be it. Doesn't really say on here, but yeah, so that was 19 and 12, so pretty good. I will definitely get use. I'm actually kind of excited about all of these. I know some other people, instead of the Ofra and blush, they got a Naked Cosmetics highlighting little palette, which I don't need any more highlighters, so I was actually glad I got this. So, but I heard people complaining that they got this and not that, so you kind of have a mixed bag. I just kind of wish they would send everyone the same stuff, but I'm usually not disappointed, and if I am, you know, only one product. But all of these seem like pretty good things that I will use. So let's tally up the combined total for this box. You always get like 5 to 6 full-sized products, usually 5, and then you don't get sample sizes. You're always getting, you know, complete full sizes, which is nice because a lot of the boxes, they give you the small, you know, sizes, deluxe size. So it's $127. So for 21 bucks, that's pretty darn good. So I will for sure be testing these out over the next few months, and then I will probably come back, let's see, with a January, February, March, like in April, I'll come with a first quarter review and tell you, you know, how I liked all the stuff. And then some of the stuff may end up in a favorites video, so then you'll know for sure that I really liked it. And so that is now going to wrap up the video of the Boxy Charm. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them below. I love talking to you guys, and I love to interact, so please leave me some comments. And if you guys have any video ideas, I would welcome any ideas, any kind of videos that you want to see. Just let me know and I will try to make it happen. Okay, mister. He's trying to get in. Come on, hurry up. Okay, you had your chance. So that's going to do it for the video, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.